Hello everybody, this is Rick Ray, and those of you that subscribe to my YouTube channel, you know me as a full-time forex trader, full-time forex coach, a strategy provider with CopyPip, and I am also a fund manager. And in my capacity as a fund manager, I often get inquiries and questions about fund management. What is it, and etc. How does it work? So I've decided to make this short video just to answer those questions and inquiries. It's not as complicated as most people think. There's actually only 3 simple steps that you need to complete to start making your money work for you and get a return on your investment. Usually I'm asked, well, who is fund management for? How do you get started? And how does it work? So let's jump in and answer those questions. First of all, you can look at my website, rickrayfx.com/investing, and I have a little bit of information, some documentation there, and you can contact me from the website. But I'm going to delve into these questions that I get in a little bit more detail to hopefully clarify everything for those who are interested in fund management. Who is fund management for? Well, most people, when they hear the word fund management or fund manager, they think, this is something for the big boys. This is something for high net worth individuals, right? Well, that's actually not necessarily the case. Fund management can be for anyone that has extra income and they're just looking to get a return on their investment. Everybody knows that it's a waste of time to put your money in the banks and expect to get any kind of return. Most countries in the world now have very, very low interest rates. Some places even 0 interest rates, and some countries have negative interest rates. So it's no good putting your money in the bank and expecting a return on your investment. And there's also investors who buy stocks, commodities, and they have a big portfolio and they want to diversify their portfolio. They'd like to get extra income from the forex market. Well, everybody knows that the forex market is the largest financial market in the world, and extra income can be had from this lucrative market, and investors know that for sure. And you know, we all know the saying, don't put all of your eggs in one basket. Well, that's what diversification is about, having multiple sources of income. Anyone actually who wants to make income from forex can. It's the largest financial market in the world, and there's more than one way to make income from forex. Fund management can provide that source of income for you. So what are the advantages? Why should I use a fund manager? Why should I even be thinking about fund management? Well, fund management is fully automated. All right, you just invest your money. There's nothing for you to do. You don't need to worry about market conditions. The fund manager will be investing your money, trading for you, and it doesn't matter whether the economy is good or bad, nothing for you to worry about. You don't have to take any courses, all right, nothing to learn. Many people they know that there's money to be had from forex, but a lot of people think that you need to be a forex trader to make income from forex. Well, that's not the case. All right, most people don't have time for trading or just simply don't want to learn about trading. But you can still have income from forex through a fund management system. So how do you get started with fund management? Well, 3 simple steps, as I mentioned to you earlier. First of all, you need to sign up with a broker. All right, the fund manager has a broker account, and he has access to the foreign exchange market through the broker. So you will need to have a trading account, a live trading account with the broker. And if you don't already have an account with the broker that I use, Fullerton Markets, you can go to my website, rickrayfx.com/broker, and sign up for a live account. It's a simple process. You just submit your proof of identity and proof of residence, and the live account is usually approved within 24 hours. Now, why do I use Fullerton Markets? Well, because this broker just keeps receiving awards after awards after awards, year after year after year, and I've been with them for more than 3 years. The person you see on the screen there is the CEO and founder of Fullerton Markets, Mario Singh. So if you want to find out more about his credibility, his reputation, just Google Mario Singh, S-I-N-G-H. Okay? And they are known for the best, strongest fund safety program in the forex industry. So you'll sign up for a live account at the link that I just showed you with Fullerton Markets. And then once you've got your live account approved, all right, you log into what's called the Fullerton Suite. All right, it looks like a back office. It has education and tools, places you can deposit and withdraw. And when you log in with your username and password, you open an investor account. And the screen will look something like this. And you just click on that box on the right where it says Open Investor Account. And that will open an investor account with the MAM system, a multi-account manager, which is the platform that the fund manager uses to manage your investment funds. So you open an investor account, and then you'll see a screen will pop up and will ask you to choose your fund manager. Who do you want to invest with? Screen looks like this. It will tell you to choose your multi-account manager, and it will ask you to enter a code, a MAM code, from that particular fund manager. Every fund manager has a different code for each one of their separate accounts. Now, just to give you an example of what it would look like, I have several different accounts for several different levels of people that invest with me, and the MAM code that I use is what you would see on the screen, a 7-digit number, 1377668. That would be if you're going to invest at the level of $1,000 to $5,000. If you want to invest more, $5,000 up to $50,000, there would be a different code. Obviously, it should be easy to understand that different amounts of money require different strategies for management. And I have a third account for even larger accounts for $50,000 and above. I have a code for that, but I ask people who want to invest $50,000 and above to contact me directly, and that way I can help to personalize and customize their fund management system for them. So when you're on that page and you have the code, which the fund manager will give to you, whoever you've selected to manage your investment funds, you enter the code, you click submit, and then you'll see another page will pop up. It says agree to terms and conditions. It's a very short description of the minimum amount you agree to invest, the duration that you will be investing for, the amount of the profit share, etc. Agree to those terms and conditions and click submit again, and you will have your investor account. Just refresh your Fullerton Suite and you will see your investor account on the same page. Now, before I go further, I want to just give you a little bit of advice on choosing a fund manager. It's very important that you do your due diligence. All right, select someone that you know. If you don't know a fund manager, all right, ask someone that can refer a fund manager to you, someone that you know that can refer someone to you. And you want to also check the trading performance of the fund manager. All fund managers will be quite willing to give you documentation, to show you charts, their trading history, their equity growth, etc., so that you can verify what they have achieved with the other accounts that they have. And you might want to verify their credentials. How long have they been in the business? Do they have any testimonials from existing clients or previous clients? Whichever method you need to use to help you to feel comfortable in choosing a fund manager, whatever suits you, but be sure that you research and do your due diligence before turning your money over to a fund manager. What I usually do is send people as a start a screenshot like this that shows I am a strategy provider on the CopyPip platform, and I'm one of the top ranked strategy providers from over 1,000 strategy providers from all over the world. Another achievement I have received is this recognition from Fullerton Markets. In 2019, I was awarded the Silver Trader Award for having 1 calendar year of trading with an ROI of 50%. And then in 2020, just last year, I received the Gold Trader Award for having 2 calendar years of trading with an ROI of 100%. So this is just a sample of the kind of documentation that you would want to ask your fund manager to provide for you, to show you that they are credible, that they have a reputation, that they have a track record, that they have a history of success as a fund manager. So once you've completed those 3 steps, all right, sign up for a live account with the broker, open an investment account, and enter your MAM code. Once you've got that done, be sure to fund the investment account. Okay, when you sign up for a live account, you will have a trading account, but you do not want to fund the trading account because you will not be trading. Be sure you fund the investment account. And you can find your investment account information on the left-hand side of your Fullerton suite. And you just fund your account with whatever payment gateway option you prefer. There are multiple payment gateway options available in the Fullerton suite. You can use credit card, wire transfer, different payment gateways like Skrill, NetTeller, FastPay. You can use cryptocurrency, and of course you can use internet banking, all right, which is the easiest and usually the fastest way to fund your account. So in addition to what I've just laid out for you, there are a few questions that I get, frequently asked questions, is how long does the investment last? Well, different fund managers will have different terms and conditions. Some might require that you invest your funds for 6 months or 1 year before you would be allowed to finish the program or make any withdrawal. With my 3 accounts that I showed you that I manage, I don't have no restriction on the terms and conditions. So you could invest your funds with me for 1 month if you want and then stop. But every fund manager has different terms and conditions. How much is the return on investment? Well, this can vary, okay, because due to the market conditions. I mean, that's obvious. All right, different fund managers will target different equity growth. I aim for a minimum of 5% per month. If I can get more, that's better, that's great. But as a minimum, I aim for 5% per month return on the investment. Can you monitor the account? No, you cannot. All right, you don't have a trading account. You don't open any software where you see trades that are going on. You do not have access to the account. How much is the profit share? Well, again, that's up to the individual fund manager. It can vary from 10%, 20%, even 30%. On all 3 accounts that I manage, the profit share is 25%, meaning that after 1 month of trading, if you have $1,000 profit, the investor gets $750 and the fund manager gets $250. So I hope I've answered all of your questions there. If you have more questions, I'm easy to contact either through email or any of the social networks. You can take a screenshot of this, and I do reply to all questions and inquiries very quickly. So just feel free to contact me if you want more details or more information about fund management and a great way to get return on an investment and make your money work for you. So I think you can see from here that Fullerton Markets has a very robust, professional, and most importantly, safe, fully automated fund management system. Okay, thanks very much for watching. Again, if you have any questions, just contact me and I'll get right back to you. Take care. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you just found this on YouTube or through a social network, there will be a subscribe button at the end of this video. Go ahead and subscribe and you'll get notification every time I make a new video. Okay, thanks again for watching. Take care. Have a great day wherever you are in the world.